guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited to film this video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about another monthly subscription box. You guys know I love testing out new subscription services, and I'm constantly trying new ones, and I love sharing them with you. So this one is actually one I've never tried before. It is called Lip Monthly. I've heard a lot about it. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers doing like unboxing and review style videos, but I've never actually tried it out before. So I was really excited when Lip Monthly reached out to me and asked me if they could send me their May Lip Monthly subscription, and they are sponsoring this video as well. So thank you so much to Lip Monthly for working with me on this video. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And you guys did not hear me wrong, and I didn't say it wrong. This is actually the May subscription box. We've been talking back and forth for a little bit, so this got to me a little late. So even though it is now like the middle of June, this is actually what you would have received last month in the month of May had you subscribed to them. So it just gives you a really good idea of what kind of stuff they have to offer. I don't know what's in here yet. I kind of peeked inside just to make sure that there was like a little card thing, and I saw the top thing, but other than that I don't know what's in here. I do know that they, like I said, they're a monthly subscription service, and it's mostly lip related. So you do get four to five full-size lip products each month, but then they always have one extra thing as well that's always makeup related, but it's non-lip related, and they call it their, let me see, it's called their monthly mix up. So once a month you do get one other non-lip related item, but 4 to 5 full-size things in the bag and the little bag itself, which is really cute. They have 4 different like payment plans to choose from. So depending on like the length of the subscription you sign up for, it'll make a difference on the price of it. So if you do, like for instance, just the monthly 1 month at a time service, which is the most common, that one is going to be $12.95 a month. If you sign up for 3 months at a time, so you're billed every 3 months for that one, it's going to be $38.85 every 3 months. Or if you do the 6-month plan, you get it's $77.70, or if you do a 12-month plan, it's $155.40. I'm gonna put all of that down below. They kind of break it down and tell you how many, like, how much free stuff you get depending on the length of it. So I'm gonna put all of that in the description box down below. If you are interested in signing up for Lip Monthly and you have not signed up for them before, I do have a coupon code as well that it'll save you 40% off your first month, and that code is 40 off. I will have that down below as well. But I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's jump into this, and then I'll get into all the other information. As you guys can see, I'm not wearing a lip product right now. I just removed what I had on so I could try all these little goodies onto my lips, which I'm really excited about. So let's start with the one on top. This is from the brand Isabelle DuPont. This is what it looks like. So this is a $16 value, but it doesn't say anything else. It just has the name of the brand and says it's a $16 value. It looks like a lip gloss to me, so I'm assuming that's what it is. Oh, on the side, yeah, it says a lip gloss. I don't see a shade, but it does say LL508. I don't know if that's the shade or not. It looks like a bright pink with a ton of glitter in there. So we're gonna try all these on. I should have grabbed a mirror. Let me grab a mirror real quick. So it's the squeezy tube kind. Let's give this a try. It looks sheer. Okay, it's super sheer. I was expecting it to have more color based on the color in the tube, but it just looks like a sheer shimmery gloss. So yeah, it smells like, I can't describe the smell, but it's definitely a sweeter scent. So yeah, that was the first thing in the box. Now, like I said, it does say that it's a $16 value. I have not ever heard of this particular brand, Isabelle DuPont, never really heard of it. The packaging to me seems very cheap, so I don't know that I would ever spend $16 on this particular gloss, but let's keep going, shall we? That lip gloss is really sticky, by the way. The next item in here, it looks like, is a lipstick. Ooh, from Mana Gadar. I have heard of this brand. Actually, his lip glosses, I am obsessed with the lip glosses from this brand. Now, I've never tried any of the bullet lipsticks, but this color looks like it is screaming my name. The name of the color is called Bliss Everywhere. Okay, so that's the color. That looks gorgeous, you guys. I'm super excited. I just filmed right before this. I filmed my nude lipstick declutter, and yeah, I'm glad this wasn't here yet. Okay, let's swatch, or try. I'm gonna try it on now. Oh yeah. Look at that color, you guys. It's super creamy and comfortable, and that feels so good on the lips. And look at that color. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be wearing this so much. I'm so excited for that. Oh, by the way, if you guys can see what, you guys are probably like, what is that on her neck? I know I'm gonna get someone to ask me. My daughter, I just got back from her school. She had a party at her school today, and she had little Alexa. She made me this necklace, so I've been wearing it all day, and I'm just gonna keep that right on there. So if you're wondering what that is, that's what's going on. Okay, anyways, so excited about this. Let's see, what does the retail value? The retail value on this is $24. Again, I feel like that retail value is probably too high. For this lipstick, I would say maybe $14 is a realistic value, but this box is only $12.95 if you're buying it monthly. So I think that the value of this lipstick alone pays for it, and then you get the other items. So let's keep going. All right, next I have this here, which says Larizzi Cosmetics. This one says it's also, or this one says it's a $16 value, and this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Wavy. So let's pull this out. I don't want to take this lipstick off to try the next products. I'm like, no, I want to leave it on. It's so pretty. Kind of wish I would have got that one last. Okay, so this is a liquid lipstick that, again, a really good wearable color. I'm impressed with the colors because the colors are all things that I would wear. Ooh, the formula on this, I don't know. Let me see if I can coat it better. The wand better. Ooh, it seems really patchy, a little liquidy and patchy, but it's not like smoothing out right. So I'm gonna try it on my lips so we can see if it works well on the lips, because that's the true test. So I'm gonna remove this first. Now let's see how this applies. I hope you guys can see okay. It's, I mean, it's not super easy to work with. You do have to kind of go over it a couple times to get it to smooth out. But it's not the worst I've tried for a liquid lipstick. It already feels drying and I'm just applying it, so ooh, I don't know about that one. Okay, so that's, I mean, it's a pretty color. I feel like I should definitely try this out for a full day. In fact, I don't think I'm gonna remove this one to do the next one. We'll just swatch the next one because I want to keep that on my lips for a little bit. And we'll just swatch this next one. Okay, so that, like I said, that one was a $16 retail value. For a liquid lipstick, I think $16 is, you know, pretty average price, so I would say that's probably pretty accurate. And then the last thing that comes in the bag, so I'm assuming the extra this month was actually the bag itself. That must have been the non-lip extra, because the last thing that was in the bag is another lip product, and this was the 4th product. So they said 4 to 5 lip products, so this would be the 4th lip product and 1 extra. So this must be the extra. Okay. So then the last thing is this Lord & Berry lip pencil? No, wait. Sorry, my camera just died. I'm having some issues with filming today, but I figured it out. So this is actually from Lord & Berry, as I said, and this is actually an eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade Brunette Magic Brown. So I'm assuming that's like a universal shade, and it's super dry and a little scratchy. That's the swatch right there. So that is the last item. So when I was saying earlier that it's 4 to 5 full-size items and plus an extra item, it's actually 4 to 5 full-size items total, including your 1 extra. So this is the 4th item. Does that make sense? You guys know what I'm trying to say. So you get, this month, you get 3 lip products, and your extra is an eyebrow pencil. So the bag must be not extra. So I hope that makes sense. I just totally confused myself, and I'm sure I totally confused you guys too. But these are the 4 items that you get, well, that people got for the month of May. You guys can't get them now because May is obviously over, but that was the May box. Now that this is set on my lips a little bit longer, by the way, this is super dry. I probably won't wear that liquid lipstick again. So of the 4 products that came in this particular box, the only one that I'm excited about is this lipstick. And I actually truly am very excited about this lipstick. This is probably going straight into my purse because I really like the color and the formula of it. Overall, I don't think this bag was the best bag. Now, I have seen other people do unboxings, and I've seen some really good bags before. So this is a subscription service I would actually try out again, because $12.95 a month is pretty good for how many products you're getting. For just this lipstick, I would pay $12.95 for just this lipstick, but you do get, let me grab the bag again, you do get all of the rest of this too. So I think it's still a really good price. I do think this month was a miss in my opinion, but this was definitely definitely redeeming. Very excited for that. So yeah, that was the month of May. I'm excited to see what they send out for the month of June. I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye out for some more reviews and unboxings because this is one I've been really interested in trying for a long time. And now that I started my lip product declutter, which you guys will be seeing those videos very soon, I had to throw away a ton of like expired stuff. So now I'm feeling like I kind of need a little bit more lipstick. I truly don't, but that's like my mindset. You guys know how it is as a makeup collector. You throw some things away that are bad and then you're like, I need more now, but I remember how I probably don't. But I am really excited that Lip Monthly was able to send this to me so I could share it with you guys today, and thank you again so much to them for sponsoring this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and review. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them below. Like I said, I will put all of the information about Lip Monthly and their different pricing systems and all of that down below so you can check that out along with the coupon code and all of that good stuff as always. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.